and I was mentioning it as a lullaby. Actually, it was relating to right to sleep when it was recognized as a fundamental right. Of course, you are not expected to claim that as a fundamental right here. By the way, every fundamental right is subject to reasonable restrictions. You are in a restricted area. You can't run away, and therefore I wish to sing a lullaby for my fiancée, whom I don't have. Say, for example, assuming that a great singer who had sung this song, as you have, I have this guaranteed that you won't run away. I am beginning to sing that. Okay? Is it okay? Okay. But I like this song so very much, and therefore I tend to sing that. But you bear with me. Only one stanza. No problem. If you say that after finishing of that, I would appreciate. Anyway. चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो. Madam is giving a chorus for that. Okay, who sang this? Who was the singer?